For those of you who want Fortnite on Android, your time is coming very soon, but there's apparently a catch. It seems that Samsung wants to change its focus very soon as losses for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus continue. We got hands-on videos of the dummies of the iPhone 9 and iPhone 10 Plus. I'm Jaime Rivera, and definitely our podcast is live. Remember to follow that, in addition to our Spanish channel where Pocketnow Daily goes live every day. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. That Lenovo smart display has really shown that it's got a lot of potential, particularly with its whole approach to a different version of Android. Just the functionality, it's extremely practical. For those of you in the market, if you've got a Costco membership, you can get one right now for $50 off. And if you don't, the Costco membership is $60 and then you can get it. So, makes sense. You'll learn more in the description. Now, for those of you liking WhatsApp, and I know that in the United States it's not very popular, but outside the United States it's huge. Everybody uses it. Video conferencing is now available for up to 4 people. You have to start a video call with one person and then you can join the conference with other people after that. Definitely WhatsApp has proven to be so versatile in everything that it continues adding. I just hate that it's a Facebook company. Now let's talk about the iPhone 9 and iPhone 10 Plus. Yesterday we saw photos, today we see the dummy units on video. These are probably the worst 3D printed dummies that I've ever seen. I mean, one of them looks even curved. But it just proves that the design language of the iPhone 10 will continue up to the point where it will be really hard to distinguish one phone from the other. I think that's actually a good thing if we're thinking that there is going to be an iPhone that's going to be more affordable. Let's just see what we get in the end. Now let's move the spotlight over to Samsung. The company's quarter results are in, and oddly, they're not good. We're just a few days away from the Galaxy Note 9. I hope that fixes things, because the company is reporting up to 4% losses yet again. And bear in mind, this is definitely not the cycle for the phones to sell the best in the case of the Galaxy S9, so it makes sense, but this is actually below the expectations. So it just proves that the company definitely needs to spruce things up when it comes to design. We hear that foldable displays are going to play a big role, so stay tuned for that. And finally, the hot news today have to do with Fortnite on Android. We were skeptical over it being exclusive to the Galaxy Note 9. It seems that it will. Obviously, the company is not mentioning that, but it seems that we're not going to get Fortnite on Android until a month later. But the list of phones is what worries us. Follow the description. There are phones like OnePlus devices that are not being mentioned, LG devices as well. Even the Sony latest flagships are apparently not on the list. And we don't know if this is a certification process where we're just going to have to wait for the list to be updated. But right now, we only get Galaxy devices in addition to another list of phones that you can, again, follow in the description. Let us know in the comments, what do you think? Are you looking forward to Fortnite on Android? Are you not? In my case, I'm not really a gamer. I'm not the best one, but the Nintendo Switch has made me a believer, and Fortnite on the Switch is really cool, at least in my opinion. I know you experts are going to be like, oh my god, this guy likes Fortnite on the Switch, but leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one, in addition to reviews, comparisons, etc. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.